Hey, it's JR here in the Kenwood booth at CES, and I've got Seth here to talk about this this new contraption here. What you got, Seth?
That's right. So this is really groundbreaking for us. What we have is a new Dsp amplifier. What this is, the XR600-6DSP amplifier, is going to be used as a solution-oriented product. So what I mean by that is, let's say you have possibly a Ford vehicle with a factory amplified system.
Yep.
That factory amplifier distinguishes all of the different audio signals. The fader, the balance, the crossovers, the door chimes, all run through that amplifier.
Yeah.
So the problem that exists is that if you want to have better sound and you take out that factory amplifier, you're going to lose all of that functionality. You won't have fader control, you may lose some door chimes. So we need to have a solution that happens before that amplifier. So our engineers, in conjunction with the ADS iDataLink Maestro AR, have developed this contraption, as you put it, to be able to conquer this solution. Here's how it works.
All right.
When you take out that factory amplifier, then the Maestro AR will go in line with a T-harness. So T-harnesses they have so far from Ford, Chrysler, and more vehicles to come. When you unplug that factory amplifier, those T-harnesses literally plug in place. It takes all the complex wiring out of the equation.
Yeah.
Then you wire directly to the amplifier. So what happens is that now the amplifier has a clean signal and it's able to distinguish all of maybe the door chimes or whatever the vehicle has, the fader balance, we can do all of that. So since the Maestro is covering and taking care of all of that language that is existing on the data bus network in the vehicle, it allows us to then go in and tune the audio. So what happens is we've got a Kenwood DSP app. This Kenwood DSP control amp will allow us to go in and set each specific speaker type, what size the speaker is, going through and all of the vehicle speakers. Then we can actually set the audio settings. So we can do the time alignment, we can do the EQ curves. Everything that you want to do is done by touchscreen on it can be either an Android or an iPhone. It connects via Bluetooth, so there's no wires, you don't have to plug a computer in. It's really making this solution be simple, taking something complex and just making it simple. In addition to that, it also has 4 channels of output. So we've got 6x75 RMS built into the amplifier.
Wow.
All right, so strong power, but 4 channels of output, 5-volt output if you want to add in additional amplifiers, subwoofer amplifiers. Now even a little more icing on the cake is that when you're setting up this app, if you have a specific subwoofer, you may be able to actually remap the factory controls, such as the bass level controls, to then control the subwoofer level. Door chimes will continue to work without having to be at a very loud volume. They'll work just as they were intended to do. So you get to keep the factory look, but grow and have an excellent sound quality system.
That makes so much sense. You guys have been working with ADS and the iDataLink Maestro to make it possible to replace radios, but that's becoming harder and harder to do now, right?
Yeah, so we want to continue to grow in that aspect, but also be prepared for the future of vehicles and many vehicles that you just can't replace the radio in.
You guys solving problems left and right. Thanks so much, man.
Thank you.